Welcome to my channel, Apex Motorhome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I will reply to everyone.
Hold up, this is not a motorhome anymore. This is a rolling billionaire mansion with 3 luxury floors, a rooftop swimming pool, smart technology everywhere, and a secret floating system that lets it relax on the sea like a private yacht. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, and today you are about to witness the craziest moving mansion ever built. The first thing grabbing attention is the unbelievable exterior design. The burgundy red, champagne gold, and gloss black paint combination gives this giant RV the look of a futuristic luxury jet on wheels. Massive LED light bars stretch across the front, while the sharp aerodynamic body makes this monster look expensive from every angle. The custom chrome rims, hidden storage compartments, and giant panoramic windows instantly separate this moving mansion from every ordinary RV on the road. Now let's step into the driver's cab, because this area alone looks more advanced than some luxury apartments. The cockpit features a fully digital dashboard, crystal clear navigation screens, AI driving assistance, voice control systems, reclining captain seats with massage functions, and a massive windshield that creates a cinematic highway view. Every button feels premium, every surface is wrapped in soft luxury materials, and the ambient lighting changes color depending on driving mode. Moving into the first floor living area, things become absolutely insane. The lounge space feels like a 5-star penthouse suite. Giant leather sofas surround a smart fireplace and an ultra-wide entertainment screen. Hidden speakers inside the walls create theater-quality sound, while the automatic glass roof fills the entire cabin with natural light. The first kitchen is fully loaded with marble countertops, smart refrigerators, touch-controlled cabinets, and luxury cooking appliances designed for long road trips in total comfort. And yes, even the first-floor bedroom and bathroom feel unreal. The bedroom features a king-size floating bed with underglow lighting, panoramic mountain view windows, and smart climate control. Right beside it sits a luxury bathroom with gold detailing, a rainfall shower, heated floors, automatic mirrors, and premium hotel-style finishes everywhere. Now we move upstairs to the second floor, and somehow this place gets even crazier. This level is designed for relaxation and private luxury living. Another massive kitchen sits in the center with elegant dining space and glowing LED ceilings. The second floor also includes a stunning guest bedroom, another fully premium bathroom, and a private office area with high-speed satellite internet, smart displays, and voice-controlled workstations for business meetings anywhere in America. But one of the most surprising rooms on this level is the medication and wellness section. This moving mansion includes a dedicated health room with medical storage, emergency support systems, and wellness monitoring technology. Right beside it is a professional massage room where passengers can relax during long journeys. Across the hallway sits a private gym area featuring smart workout machines, mirrored walls, and recovery equipment that makes staying healthy on the road incredibly easy. Halfway through the journey, this motorhome reaches a beautiful mountain location during sunrise. A newly married couple parks beside the cliffs, steps outside holding warm cups of tea, and quietly enjoys the golden sunlight reflecting across the burgundy red and champagne gold body. Moments like this make this moving mansion feel less like transportation and more like a dream lifestyle built for freedom, romance, and adventure. But the final floor completely changes everything. Welcome to the rooftop luxury deck. This level includes an open-air lounge with designer seating, a full outdoor kitchen, and one of the wildest features ever added to a motorhome, a rooftop swimming pool. Imagine relaxing in warm water while overlooking mountains, deserts, forests, or oceans during sunset. The atmosphere up here feels more like a luxury resort than an RV. And now comes the feature nobody expected. This moving mansion includes a newly launched floating lounge system that allows sections of the vehicle to stay balanced on water like a private luxury boat. Watching this giant motorhome calmly resting beside the sea feels absolutely unreal. It completely destroys the limits of what modern RV engineering can achieve. From the intelligent smart technology systems to the 3 fully loaded luxury floors, this is easily one of the most outrageous motorhomes ever created. Every corner feels designed for wealthy travelers who want total comfort without sacrificing mobility or style. Even the hidden storage bays underneath are engineered like luxury garages, with automated sliding systems for sports cars, adventure gear, and premium luggage. Solar panels across the roof continuously power the smart systems, while advanced suspension technology keeps the entire mansion stable and smooth, whether crossing desert highways, snowy mountains, crowded cities, or coastal roads beside the ocean. If you love insane luxury vehicles like this, make sure you subscribe to Apex Motorhome right now